James, to the airport in this Leapin Limo by Topper. Johnny Lightning, smoking the house today. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on old Johnny clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Okay, here's the one I've been waiting for. It's Billy the Kid's Hot Wheel 24 car collector case by Mattel. 1968. Look at that clasp. Beautiful metal clasp. Opens, closes, still works great. I haven't been in this case forever. Let's open it. I'm excited. How about you? Ready? Oh, here we go. I have no idea what's in this. You see it too. Here they are. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh, I gotta set up a different camera angle. I'll be right back. Oh, where do I go next? Another Johnny Lightning. Look at this thing. There's so much nose on that. Jimmy Durant ain't got nothing on that. Leapin Lizards! It's the Leapin Limo! Johnny Lightning! Oh, from Topper! Look at this thing! Where your guest would run, there's a huge monster engine in there.
Look at that works great! Oh, those pods, killer. God, man, they're so much fun.
Now here's the plastic exhaust. You got 6 that look worse than my cat's whiskers. Now those exhausts are little crooked, little wacky. Kinda like when the cat sniffed the candle. Man, his whiskers just curled up like you wouldn't believe. Oh, no more candles in our house.
Johnny Lightning, Leapin Limo on the orange track, Hot Wheels, and Johnny Lightning together. Oh, and Johnny Lightning navigates in beauty.
Oh boy, and you still got this plastic cowl in place? Single-seater race car, and look at that radiator jacking out of the car like it was Mount St. Helens. Look, oh, that radiator's sticking out of there like a gravestone at Tombstone. What is going on with that? Flat as can be. Look at that profile. Again, Johnny Lightning are just totally killing these things. So wild. So cool. Oh, Johnny Lightning Topper, Leapin Limo. Leapin Limo? Oh, look, you can see right into the cockpit of that thing. See right through to the windshield. But look at, I'm telling you, look at the lines on that and that windshield. How cool is that? I'm telling you, Johnny Lightning really knew their stuff. Oh, if they only used something a little more stiff on these things, they're kind of just all over the place. Now that could have been heated up from being in a garage or next to a furnace or wherever you store your cars. Be careful where you store your cars, especially if they're in mint condition. Now this got a little boogie woogie on there. I don't know if that's a leftover, a decal, or a piece of spinach that fell out of someone's teeth after eating spinach pie. Either way, Johnny Lightning is cool. Again, this one is a roller. Got some heavy weight to it. I'm digging it. let's get a head-on shot of this. Oh, nice! Right into the single lane. And it inched it out by a hair. Totally forgot it. It's a mantis against a 6-shooter. That's who they are. Totally fun stuff. Oh boy. There's nothing like a great race down the orange straightaway. With a zigzag. Whoa, that went fast. Oh, I could barely keep up. The chariot chopper. Let's take a ride. Beautiful. Perfect. Stopped right in front of his rumbler buddies. Loving it. Ha ha ha. Woo, baby. And I love it! Nice! We are smoking the cars today. Some I can race, some I can't! And we got Bill's 1969 Hot Wheel case cars all lined up in front of the supper club. Look at them all. Oh, and guess what else is in front of the supper club? This case is so cool, I don't know where to start. There's no room to drive anyone but the limo driver. Look at that engine in there, killer cool. Johnny Lightning wore some of my favorite cars. What do you think? Johnny Lightning or Hot Wheels? I don't know. For me, it's a good toss-up. But either way, these cars from the late 60s, early 70s blow my mind. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!